AI, from safety standpoint, it's helped reduce safety,
Sure.
especially with the stuff in the trucks. I think from the operational side, um, using AI, having that tool now versus 2 years ago, it allows the operational department to look at their process and procedures and dump it into something instead of having 15 brains think about it. The
Sure.
AI takes the place of those 15 brains, can quickly calculate it and put those analytics and data together and give it an output of some recommendations. It doesn't tell you you have to do these things. It's just saying, hey, these are things you should be thinking about because the artificial intelligence is gathering information from all over the world, all sorts of data places, picking up data points that if we were to sit down and do it manually and trying to calculate, all right, I have this truck doing this amount of miles per gallon, this truck doing this. You can take all that data very quickly, and the idea of spreadsheets, it was my my masterpiece, and now AI can do those things in a matter of seconds. What used to take me days or hours of trying to figure out how to study data points and see where we can make things more efficient. And from the
Right.
operational standpoint, AI helps do that in a much faster rate than me trying to figure it out as an individual.